Some good news here for Samsung fans, people who may have been considering buying a folding device from Samsung. They have just launched a $200 price reduction on the Z Fold 2. The company's high-end foldable now costs $1,800 and comes with an additional $200 incentive to help spread the word. A referral program for smartphones? That's weird, isn't it? But with this device, it kind of makes sense because it's the type of thing that the best salesperson for this phone is your pal who's using it. And they're like, I love it. Look at me. I'm folding, I'm flipping, I'm flapping. And then you look at...
Where can I get one?
Exactly. And then they say, let me help you with that.
Yeah.
I am the referral man. Let's see. Current Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G and Z Flip owners can use the Samsung Members app to share a unique referral code with friends or family. And that gives both parties $100 worth of credit to use at the Samsung store towards their purchase. So it's actually $200 split across two people. However, I guess the $1,800 is already a price drop on the website. And then you include the extra $200. But it's kind of interesting. I mean, Tesla, they had a big referral business going on for a while. And you wonder how that maps out for smartphones. And in particularly smartphones like this, which are expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Where
you want to try to subsidize it in any way.
Anyway, like $2,000. Holy cow. But anyway, this is better than no discount at all.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those custom colors as well. Well, how would you customize yours if you were to build one right now? What color hinge combo?
I would have to go with the basic. I'm very boring. Like
no custom.
Just like black.
All black.
Like this one right here.
All black.
Yeah.
Because you're aware, you can customize these.
Sure.
Yeah, if you scroll down on the right-hand side, you'll see your different hinges over there. Look at that. Metallic silver.
There you go.
Metallic gold, metallic red, metallic blue.
Nah.
Nothing does it for you.
Yeah.
All right.